and welcome to VanLife and Gaming. And as you can see, it's quite a sunny day out today, which means only one thing: VanLife festivals are upon us. The one that I'm really excited for is the one VanLifers and Overlanders Celebration. Which is in July the 28th to July the 30th. It is run by VanLifers for VanLifers. It doesn't matter if you're full-time, part-time, weekend time, or you're looking to buy a van, or even if you have a tent. Everyone is welcome, including pets. Right, so we have actually seen where the area is and what's around it. There are many pathways, so you don't really get stuck. If it's muddy, you don't get stuck in the mud. But also there is a barn where there will be bars and live music there, which I think is really cool. And there will apparently be bring and buy section in there very soon. Sounds fun. Right, so it also includes show vans, DJ and live music, kids entertainment, healing and well-being zone, trade village, bars and great food, YouTubers, talks, and of course pets are welcome and everyone is welcome. So Carl from Bill Bort will be there, and Quirky, but they're always playing pranks on each other, so watch out for their antics. And did I forget to tell you that there is a Nerf gun war section, which I am really looking forward to, because I'm looking forward to getting my dad shot with a Nerf gun for payback for him having me have to tidy up the fan. But watch out, because I am bringing Bessie. And of course, don't forget the world famous Gorilla Grub with their delicious food, especially their signature dish, the Gorilla Burger. Right, everyone, so I will see you guys there on July 28th to the 30th at Newbury Park. Bye. Let's get to the video. Right, hi everyone, welcome to VanLife and Gaming. So, since it's Father's Day weekend, I decided, well, so I can get my hair cut for this amazing weekend, and Dad's going to treat me to a nice meal at some lovely shops since it's Father's Day weekend, and I've got him some gifts for that. And also for Father's Day, I'm going to let Daddy take me to get my nails done. So we're on our way to see Spider-Man. And for my dad's next Father's Day treat, he's taking me to my favourite restaurant, Cosmos. Family, and that's all that matters. I hope that you all know that. But anyway, happy Father's Day to all the father figures, dads, parents, whoever is a father in your family. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you liked this video. Bye!